Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make stir fry vegetables. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 50 grams broccoli, 1 carrot chopped in length, 6 to 7 baby corns chopped in length, 50 grams cabbage chopped in length, 1 green bell pepper chopped in squares, 1 red bell pepper chopped in squares, 1 yellow bell pepper chopped in squares, 1 onion chopped in squares, 50 grams cottage cheese chopped in length, 2 green chilies chopped in length, 10 to 12 garlic buds finely chopped, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon corn flour, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon oil and 1/4 cup water. First, in a bowl, put corn flour, water and mix well to avoid lumps. Now put red chili sauce, soya sauce, honey, vinegar, sesame seeds and prepare seasoning sauce. Now in a pan, put oil, garlic, ginger, chilies and saute for 1 minute. Now put broccoli, carrot, baby corn and saute for 1 minute on a medium flame. Now add onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, cabbage, black pepper powder, salt and mix well and saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add cottage cheese, prepare seasoning sauce and mix well and cook for 1 minute on medium flame. Now sprinkle little sesame seeds over it. Healthy hot stir fry vegetables are ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.